What's up guys, Casey here. I'm going to teach you how to make 360 panorama and tiny planet on a Mavic Mini. Just stay tuned.
Please hit like and subscribe guys to support my channel.
Okay guys, we're here on my desktop. The software I use for this effect are Autopano, Giga, and Photoshop CC. I'm gonna show you how to download the Autopano for free. Just type Pirate Bay. Just type Autopano space Giga and search. Choose the file that has a key like this: Color Pano Giga version 3 64-bit multilingual with key.
Please hit like and subscribe guys to support my channel.
Okay guys, it's downloaded. I'm gonna teach you how to install the Autopano. You have to disconnect your internet provider. Okay guys, to activate your software, just open the Autopano Giga and click register. Just copy and paste the key. Copy, paste, registration code, copy and paste. Click OK. Okay, it's done. Guys, for you to make this effect, you have to take photos, multiple photos like this. Just take multiple shots like this, and we're gonna stitch it on Autopano software. Go to Autopano Giga, just drag and drop all the photos on the left side and click detect. Okay guys, the stitching process is done. Just click the edit and click projection settings and make sure the spherical mode is selected for 360 panoramic photo. For you to export this, just click render, select bicubic JPEG maximum DPI is 300 para hindi pixelated. Select the output folder, select folder and the name, Panorama 360 Mavic Mini. Just click render. And it's done, guys. We're going to open this on Photoshop. Okay, guys, before we edit this, we have to make a new composition. Guys, to cover up the sky, we need the brush tool. And select the color. And then you can color grade. You can add text to the image. Guys, before you export this, you have to import the settings. This is a setting to recognize the image as a 360 image on Facebook. Click OK. Then we can save it. Kakai Panorama 360. Let's take it to the maximum quality. I'll show you how to post this on Facebook. There you have it, guys. The 360 degrees logo that's shown on Facebook. We can edit the front and just click save. There you have it, guys. 360 degrees photo. You can zoom in and out. Next, the little planet effect. Hello guys, to make the little planet effect, you must go back to your Autopano project and click projection settings and select little planet style. There you have it, little planet effect. And to export this, click render, just JPEG, maximum 300, and let's change the name, My Little Planet. Click render. Okay guys, it's done. Let's go to the output file. and open it on Photoshop. There you have it. The same technique, we will use brush tool to brush, to fill up the edges. Just duplicate and you can rotate the image if you want to. Click the brush, select a color on sky and just brush. There you have it, guys. You can create your own little planet effect. Guys, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.